Hi everyone, back here for another video. Lention has sent another one of their USB hub, and this time it is also a dock for the iPad. You can find more information in their website and a discount code which I have linked in the description box below. Although Lention gave this to me for review, I tested it, and in this video are my own honest review and comments. So this comes in this box, and I had to build it with the different parts that came with it. They even provided a screwdriver. This is a solid stand as this is real metal. And the rubber pad they have here makes it really sturdy on the table and it won't move around. Just make sure though you line it up well when you install it. I made a mistake at first, and luckily I was able to peel it off well and stick it back, this time in the right position. The main part is this hub that has all the ports that can be used with the iPad. It slips in and can be adjusted, so I guess this is handy if you are using a bigger tablet or like the iPad 12.9 version. The iPad is safe from scratches when using this dock as there are good padding, though this rubber padding at the base seems to be not built so well. This has the USB-C cable, so this is not compatible with my iPad Air 3, but works well with my iPad Pro 11-inch 2020 model, so this may also work with the iPad Air 4. This has the braided cable built really well, and it doesn't look like it will break at all. And with the price of $49.99 US, it seems a very reasonable hub that overall looks nice and with all these different ports that you can use. So this has two USB 3.0 ports, where today I choose to plug in the USB receiver of my mouse and keyboard. This is the Logitech Combo K470 keyboard and the M340 mouse. Both work well and connection seems stable. There are no typing lags and scrolling is fine as usual. On the top are the ports for memory cards. There's a slot for the regular or bigger memory card and another slot for micro SD card. I can use both at the same time, and I can save files in here, whether it's files from my iPad or I transfer files between the cards. So far, I save only videos and photos because for my documents, I save it mainly in the cloud like Google Drive or OneDrive. These are old memory cards that I have lying around, so the transfer speed may not be that fast, but it works for my workflow for now. Also, I made another video where I showed my very old external hard drive working well using this Lention hub. Again, it works well, but doesn't mean it's fast. Then on the other side is the HDMI port, so I can connect this to my monitor. And as we all know, the iPad is only mirrored to the monitor, and we are all waiting when Apple will make us all happy to have full external monitor support. But until then, this is what we get. My workaround is to use the Shift Screen app. And my interest on this app sparked again because of this pilot version they call 4X that they just released. So subscribe, and so you will see my next videos as I will go deep into this new shift screen version. Anyway, back to the Lention hub. Here along with the HDMI port is where the USB-C charging port is. And I'm glad to say that the 18-watt charger of my iPad Pro works with this. So looks like Lention did build this to be completely compatible with the iPad Pro. For me, it's really important that the charging port works, since using all the ports at the same time, or even just using it with the monitor, will drain the iPad's battery. And one tip, if you have this and you notice that it doesn't work or some of the ports are not working, it may mean you either need to unplug some of it and use one port at a time, or plug in the charger and it will all work together. There's also the headphone jack here, but I cannot test it as I only use wireless earbuds like my Soundpeats True Air 2, but it's there for those who need to use the wired headphones. Lastly, if I want to use this just as an adapter and use it with the monitor, for example, but then I also want to do some writing, I can take it out of the stand. So that's why I really have a good impression on this stand / a hub, as it's really quite versatile. So what do you think about this multi-port hub / dock / charging port for the iPad Pro? So far for me, I'm really liking it, and I will include this more in my setup as I see this helping me in my productivity. So that's it. Thanks for watching.